Medo bibi ase na mamu bibi akwa abasoronko dia ben kasa TV so. Ene any da edi kan hwe kasa TV a message so be subscribe be like na wa share. Mema we episode bi odoma no so sine de bituma so biya bi ahwe etie kama. Kasebo na eduro no mam de besum mu. Miam ne kasebo ba besum yam so fo ohene ba kwa msafo kantanka. Me na kasebo ni sime na so amede ba besum we. Emre asusi anodofo wadwo akonya ekenzen sam ne kasebo en sebe ka friend kasa TV fide mu anom no. The Baba soon or one also near be a tea. Kama. Kasebo and a do on mammy the Baba. A year, Mammy Cecilia Dapaah, Anna, no who asked as in a baby. Nina, a coffee, said a yes, he kept truly dear who when he fee, and as you see, I no call to pursue who says he can't any dear and any dear, and any dear name on my gun at the answer was yet a free niece. Many the idea was here the idea the man beside. Now there were no dear. And yet, they are coming. I don't know. It's a bushing for much as a court of one whom dear investigation. And who say, a yenny dear and as a yenny dear now expose about to a mountain. I actually say, bank document a war a crazy can who a traces can any dear in a fake. I just didn't know any papa a forged document and or the autos can who I actually scan any dear. Now, bank for a court of one to see investigation. I say, I know credit into details. Say, can any dear and now document in a faker. Young name from Murab court. Ya ba di o mi an besa na
wonti mi fa ne san kasa iska ni Cecilia na san semre nya ekopie mo court a chese Cecilia Dapaah so lawyer so eti san semre anyo mo de na chese omo so de nsem bi ba abonti omo chese special prosecutor wo tie media no so tie abonti so for e na ode judge ni nyoma cause obi woni sika na woni fia obi sika woni fia wonti mi be kan che ni say o de warrant to so anasa o de tabo to so say ni sika no otimi use anasa obetime freeze in a bank account we ni nsem bebre na che say if we court for a bar from Cecilia Dapaah case ni be kwa kutie enseni mu chemu from obi and in the reporter and nsem ekeka won free but and any day they can otie ordinary TV. Remember, we subscribe to our channel, be like na do adventure so. Ebu comment section come. Do be ask.
Studio ha Richard Akwaba na tsesen
yenu ya me hwe
bibi aboko
nyame ado me hwe
ntiyenne Cecilia asem no eko ehemfa court be ya
financial and economic crimes court. Yes,
okay,
a division of the high court.
Yeah it did not almost a day important na na court na
one thing e kra yin court na mu it was a virtual court session.
Okay,
so
yes,
the OSP
legal break, legal vacation.
Exactly. The OSP did not come to court, but they were represented by Dr. Isidore.
Okay.
And then Madam Cecilia Dapaah was also represented by Victoria Bath.
Victoria Bath.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly. So so the judge was in court, all right, but the two parties were not exactly. So we the journalists were given Google Meets, and then we had to join outside the court.
Okay.
It was an interesting session actually. So Madam Cecilia Dapaah, as we know, she was not in court, but there was an application by the Office of the Special Prosecutor to confirm the freezing of the monies found in Cecilia Dapaah's house. That is one. So there were two, in fact, two strands of the argument. The first one was the freezing of the account in her house, and the second one, the freezing is in respect of the account, and then the seizure is in respect of the Nifio. So there were diverse arguments, but so the argument made by Cecilia Dapaah representative was that the OSP was perpetrating illegality because they should have come within the mandatory 7-day period within which they could apply to the court to confirm the seizure and the freezing. So on 1 year they feel that some illegality is being perpetrated and that the court should throw out the application being filed. So the fact that monies were found in the matrimonial home of Cecilia Dapaah doesn't mean that there is some wrongdoing or some corruption or corruption related will be exactly. See the same thing that the fact that there are money standing to the credit of Cecilia Dapaah in the account doesn't mean anything. Say be a wire bonny be and in a sikanu guna account him no say and the client in India. I mean things are legitimately done and the OSP is swimming along the media frenzy that is currently ongoing and that was really what happened. Until they pray the courts. So courts, OSP assembly or the buyer,
And that OSP is argument on 7 days mandatory period near the.
Well, I'm saying they are within the law. They have come. So there were argument of shall in the OSP Act. And all of that, but I mean, we'll leave it to the court. The ruling on the 31st of August, whether the court will uphold the argument by the OSP or will side with Madam Cecilia Dapaah, representative.
They are part of our application, no OSP, no in the application. The amount involved.
Well, so on the first one, they named the amount found in her home. That is $590,000. $590,000.
Yes, and only official in the court document.
In the court document of monies found
in her home.
Exactly.
$590,000
when they conducted their search. And in addition, they also found 2.7 million Ghana cedis. In
the $590,000
plus
and a
2.7 million Ghana cedis.
So we need the OSP court.
Exactly.
So
exactly. And on that basis, in CZ. And the courts by the OSP Act should confirm, say this is what they have done, and should give legitimacy
to that action.
To that one.
Okay.
And then
second,
bank accounts, all that the two parties indicated in court. They didn't mention the names of banks in question. The banks they made the inquiries. They didn't mention them. They did not also name any amounts
in any of the accounts.
But not where the argument was going. I was tempted to believe say be on the amount to be say these were the amounts standing to the credits of Madam Cecilia Dapaah, but nothing of that sort was done. And then basically that was what happened in court. The judge inquired why the money were found in the matrimonial home of Madam Cecilia Dapaah. It was only Madam Cecilia Dapaah who was arrested. Then the OSP said that both of them were placed under arrest. So they put it on record that both of them were arrested. So it wasn't only Cecilia Dapaah. The fact that the money was found in the matrimonial home of the couple, both of them were arrested. And so the questioning would be for both of them.
It is there. Bail.
Yes, right? They've been granted bail. So this case is substantially and materially different from the case that is currently running the criminal. Exactly.
Okay.
And for that one, we will be in court on the 22nd. But the ruling of this application will be on the 31st of August
of this month.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I'm for me not 10
na yenko yenim pa na se de na medika meka to odika kra kototwe ho nkomo kakra ye ma Miss Cecilia Dapaah na sem ya na ne abeto mu foforo kra udi ho nkomo kakra ye ni ku ne de na ene ho abasem no na nura ne lawyer no make some revelations na poso na me pese na yensua ho ade kakra
the lawyer beya
ne lawyer ye Victoria Buff ye ma Miss Cecilia Dapaah lawyer kire se ne di kan OSP ntimi nka da biara da se obi di sika gu ni dem a ese so suspecting se sika na ye kro no sika wo se ndie ye wrong ye wrong se na ati ho ya na watutu ntoma fefefe te ye na bia obi asi wachi wo fie na obekọ na ene watu se $, euros
this was found quest